Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, I will show you that how you can delete image from Firebase storage. Yes guys, so as you can see on the screen that this is the image. Here you can see that it is uploaded in this Firebase storage. You can see that this is Firebase storage. And guys, after this you can see that this is our Android app, and if I will click on this image delete, I will click on the button delete image, so you can see that the image is deleted successfully and we have this toast message. And now when I will refresh this page, so it will simply delete this image. Fine guys, so yes, you can see that now it is loading, and yes, there is no files yet. So today in this tutorial I will show you that how you can delete images from cloud fire storage. Fine guys, so watch this video till last, because I will also explain some important thing about my recent playlist Firebase video streaming app. So without wasting time, let's start guys. First of all, what we will do is that we will upload a picture, and later we will delete it. So you can see that here yeah, let me take this yeah, this is a thumbnail, and now I will just upload it. So you can see that its size is very small. Yeah, so now it is uploaded, and when you will click on it, so you will be able to see that it is the thumbnail that I have created for my one of my video. Fine guys, so after this what we need to do is guys, we have to go back in Android Studio, and now you can see that this is activity underscore main.xml file. And guys, now it is absolutely null. I mean it's empty, we are not using any instance or child button. So now what we will do is we will simply use a button, not image button. Let me remove it. Guys, we will use a button, and that will be obviously with match parent, hide wrap content, and text is going to be delete image. Fine, and then we will simply use on click, and on click will be delete image. Fine, and then margin will be 20 dp. Fine guys, then close it. So after this, click on this delete image, and then click on this red bulb. And guys, then after this you have to click on this create delete image view in main activity. So it will create a method in main activity.java. So on click is good because it skips some steps like giving variable and giving reference. That's why sometimes it is good, but yes. So after this what we have to do is let me show you the Gradle build, that what you have to add, which dependency you have to add. So guys, now here you can see that this is a Firebase storage dependency. You have to add this in your Gradle build for deleting image. Fine guys, then after this you can simply click on the button sync now. So guys, now here we will declare a string first of all, and that will be URL equals to, and now we will get the URL of that image that we have uploaded. So you can see that this is a thumbnail, and now we have to delete it, so we need its download URL. Fine, copy it to clipboard, and then you have to paste it here, control plus V, then semicolon. Fine guys, now here we have to use is storage reference equals to Firebase storage. Fine guys, dot get instance dot get reference from URL, and inside it we have to pass that URL and then semicolon. Fine guys, then simply write reference dot delete dot add on success listener, then new, then on success listener, and then dot add on failure listener, new, dot on failure listener. Fine guys, so inside it we will show a toast message that image is deleted, and inside this we will show is that error. Fine guys, so when the deleting image will be fail, if it is fail, then we will show this text toast message, and if the image is deleted successfully, then we will show this toast message. Fine guys, so it's time to run the app and see is it working or not. So it's time to wake up the emulator. Fine guys, so Yes, you can see that the Gradle build is running. And guys, in case if you get any error, then let me know in comment section. I will try to reply in next 24 hours. And guys, make sure to subscribe my channel because now we are almost near for 1k subscribers. Yes guys, it is because of your support, and very soon we will hit that milestone. So now you can see that the app is installing fine. So let me open this Firebase console, and after this let me open this yes, emulator. So guys, now you can see that the activity is launched successfully, and now our app is running. There is no error. So after this we have to open this Firebase console. Here you can see that image, and guys, when I will click on the button delete image, so you can see that there is a toast message that image is deleted. And guys, after this when I will refresh this console, so after refreshing you can see that now it is loading, and the image is successfully deleted. You can see that there is no image showing here, there are no files here yet. So I hope you understand that how you can delete this image. And guys, I have recently I have published a series, Firebase video streaming app. So in case if you think that how you can delete that several videos, so you know guys, that is a very simple way. Let me explain you. It is a little bit task, you think you can take it as a task. So how you can do this is guys, it's very simple. That in that series when you will long click on that video, so it will show a, it will show a alert dialog message. So what you have to do is you can simply get the URL of that video, fine, and then you have to give that URL in that delete image or the alert dialog method, fine. So the database reference or the query that we are running for deleting that particular video, you can pass that URL of that particular video, and then you can implement this method, fine. You can create a storage reference. So guys, I hope you are understanding that you have to get that URL from Firebase on byte beholder. I hope how you can get it: string name, get item, position, get video URI, fine, and then you have to pass that string in. Simply you have to create a method delete video, fine, and you have to pass that string in that as a parameter in that method. And then after this you can create that method, and then you have to follow this procedure. So it will simply delete that particular video from database and also from the storage. And I'm telling you this in this tutorial because I forgot to show it in that series, fine. And that is very simple part guys, and I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. And in case if you don't understand, you can ask me on Instagram, you can do in comment section, you can ask in comment section. I will always reply to your every problem, every solution I can give, I will try to give, fine guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.